Are you thinking about applying for the HSBC Elite credit card, but aren't sure if it's worth it? Most people get this wrong, but here's the full picture before you make a decision. The HSBC Elite credit card is designed for individuals who want premium rewards, travel perks, and comprehensive insurance coverage. One of its most attractive features is the generous reward points system. You earn points on almost every purchase, and these can be redeemed for travel, gift cards, or statement credits. For example, spending on travel and dining often earns higher points, which makes it ideal for frequent travelers or those who enjoy dining out. Another major perk is travel benefits. Cardholders get access to airport lounges worldwide, travel insurance that covers trip cancellations and lost baggage, and concierge services to help plan trips or secure reservations. This can save hundreds or even thousands of dollars for people who travel often. The surprising truth is that this card also includes comprehensive purchase and extended warranty protections. So, if you buy electronics or luxury items, you are covered against theft or accidental damage for a longer period than most standard cards. However, there are considerations. The annual fee is on the higher side, and you need a strong credit score to qualify. Interest rates are also higher than regular credit cards, so it's best used for paying off balances in full each month. In conclusion, the HSBC Elite credit card is ideal for individuals who travel frequently, spend on rewards earning categories, and can leverage premium benefits. If you're strategic about your spending, the rewards and perks often outweigh the costs. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews and tips to maximize rewards.